Good morning everyone, and happy Friday to all of you out there watching my video. And thank you for those who subscribe and watch my video. Thank you would not be enough to show my gratitude to all of you guys. So thank you so much for all the support, and rest assured I will do the same. So anyway, today I'm gonna make a banana turon with the cheese. So I have here Eden cheese. So as I've said, I'm in the Philippines. My spirit flew in the Philippines last night. So everything today, I'm gonna eat only Filipino food. So I have here Eden cheese. I have a banana. Then I have a spring roll wrapper. So now let's first cut our banana and cut into a size as per to my requirement. So now it's all remove the skin. Now we have to cut. So I'm gonna cut into half, and then this kind of slice. So in half I have cut another 3 pieces. So again half and cut into 3 pieces. So now, we're done cutting our banana and put it in a plate. So now, we have to cut our cheese. So we have to cut our cheese. Actually, I never tried eating banana turon with cheese. So this is my first time I make. Okay, so let's see how it tastes. I'll let you know guys, so you can also do the same. But if the result is not nice, then don't make it. This is just an experiment I'm doing. So actually, I'm not putting all cheese. Maybe I'll just put like around 6 bananas, so I can put with cheese. The rest is just plain banana, because that's I normally eat, just the plain banana. And for the cheese, with the cheese, I never had it in my life. Of course, with the langka, with the jackfruit, I've tried it, but not with the cheese. So okay, so we have make a strips cheese. So this we have to wrap it with the banana. So I have here 1, 2, 3. I have 6. They will be enough. So I will put 6 bananas with the cheese, and the rest just plain, because I don't know how it tastes. So I don't want to take risk. So I'm gonna save this later. So now let's do the wrap. So I have here a wrapper. So now we have to put our banana, and this on the top of this we'll put our cheese, and then roll it. So I'm using water. I'm dipping my finger here just to close the edges. You can also use egg. That's also okay. Water also okay. Either way. So I'm using water to close the edge. So now This is my banana turon with the cheese. Again, we have to do the same procedure. And then on the edges, you have to put water in. So it will close. See? It's okay to put water to have it close. So now another one more banana. With the cheese, I have only 6 of them, so the rest are just a plain banana. Just have it like this. And now last more. We have to do our last more banana turon with the cheese. So this will be last. This is very easy to make. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Very easy. And so now, see? So now it's perfect. So I have done here 6 banana turon with cheese. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 6. So now we have to make just plain banana. So this is without cheese now I'm making. If the cheese and banana works perfectly fine, then later on next time I'll make that again. But for now, it's just the experiment. So now this will be the last one. Okay, so this is my just the plain banana turon. Okay, so and this is my banana turon with cheese. So now we have to fry our banana turon. Actually, it's supposed to be my snack. Now it's already 6 o'clock because I was full for lunch. So now let's cook our banana turon. So now we have to put our oil. So let's wait until it gets hot. Now the oil is already hot, so I have to put our banana turon inside. So first I'm gonna do it in 3 batches. So we have to cook this until it's golden brown. And now this is already golden brown, so we have to remove this from the oil. And we put new ones, another batch, which is another 3 I have to put in. So here, this is my banana turon. This is still not done. I have to caramelize the sugar and coat on the banana turon. What I do first, I just have to fry all my banana turon, and then after this, when I finish everything frying, then I have to caramelize the sugar. So now the second batch is ready. So now I have to add one more left, so I have to cook the one piece. Look at my banana turon. So yummy. And now we have to caramelize. We have to caramelize our banana. So first we have to put sugar here. So 1 tablespoon first. Then now we can put our banana inside. Just have to do like this to caramelize. I don't want so much sugar on my banana, just enough to be coated. So I want only something like this, just coated little bit of sugar, because actually the banana is already sweet, so I just have to put a little bit. So now I have just to add a little bit of 1 more tablespoon of sugar. So we have to melt first the sugar, and then we can dip our banana. Can dip our cooked banana. So this is okay. Just one more. See, one more. Done. So guys, I've done my banana turon. So as you can see.
Hi guys.
Hi, that's my husband.
This is really good. You know, they say that the way to a man's heart is through the stomach. She's the queen of my heart. Love her, and I love her banana turons.
Okay, see here. And this is my daughter. She's in her pajamas now. Okay, so that's all. This is my banana turon. And now guys, this is the testing time. So hot. This is the one with the cheese. So let's try if it's really goes along with the banana. So as you can see, this is the cheese. This is the cheese.
Oh my gosh.
Huh? Yeah? It's just a mix of a little salty from the cheese and the sweets from the sugar and for the banana. It really goes well. So now I can recommend you can put cheese on your banana turon. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye. Until next time.